Welcome back, guys. I'm in the she shed and it's pretty much the last day I can do another video until after this big snowstorm we're supposed to get on Monday. I also offer wholesale and I got a wholesale order. It's been quite a few months since I had a wholesale order. I use fair.com. Here's my page. If you're a boutique or a small business looking to sell things like this, you can check me out on Fair and buy everything wholesale. And she ordered a lot of things that I have to use my wood engraver for. So I have a laser engraver. It's a M1X tool and I bought it about 2 years ago now almost. But the catch is you have to use it with your window open because there's an exhaust tube that comes out of the machine and into outside, so you're not, breathing a bunch of fumes. Luckily, I'm cutting wood, not acrylic, so it's not that intense. But because I have to have my window open, when it's snowing, not really ideal. So I was like, I need to get this order done today. Well, it is cold outside. It's about 30, maybe like 33 degrees today. As always, I'm thinking of you guys and I was like, oh my God, I have to take them along with me to make a wholesale order. I did this in one other video, but this one I'm really excited about because I can really show you like in depth what I'm doing with these wood accessories from start to finish. And if you're looking to invest in a laser tool, engraver, like you can ask me any questions. I definitely have a decent machine, but there are ones above mine that do even more. So I will help the best I can, but without further ado, let's get into this wholesale order. Okay, there's that story. But I already had a huge mess up with my machine, which was completely expected because I have not made a pair of earrings on this thing in weeks, probably months, and I definitely did an error. So I completely ruined a pair of earrings, but you know what's great? It's just wood earring. It's literally plywood. It's no biggie. So I'm going to redo this. Oh, my bad. Let's try not to touch my keyboard or I'll actually crash out. Fixed it, so we're just gonna hit go and we're gonna just do one whole pair of earrings to make sure that my machine is working properly since it hasn't been used in a little bit. As you can see, we already messed up the first tester, so this is why you do that. Give yourself grace, everything's gonna be fine. But I will show you her order. That's why we have a glass case over the laser. Oh my God, what is happening? Guys, my Stanley matches my sweatshirt. This is my new Barbie Stanley. And I'm wearing our merch from 2 years ago. Entrepreneurship, the whole idea behind this, it's done now. Like literally Shopify did it after me. But anyway, the idea was I didn't go to college. I'm a college dropout. Well, I did go to college for so I'm a dropout. I went to college for maybe like a year and then I hated it. So I never got to wear like a university sweatshirt. So I made one for entrepreneurs. And then my husband had the idea of like, instead of the year that the school is established, I think is why they put that, to put self-established. And we love her. So we're coming out with literally like 10 new colors in February. Did I really not put a pin in my desk? That's crazy. 4 Smile wood earrings, brown, which means the whole earring is engraved, so it's like a dark brown. Groovy stickers, which is a very specific number. I'm gonna give her 10. Then she ordered 4 wood butterfly earrings. My personal favorite, but the one that takes me the most time. 5 wood hippie van earrings. One pair takes about 12 to 13 minutes to be created on the machine. And then after that, it has to get all attached to put the hooks on them. I really wish I knew how to say words. Okay, they're just called rings. Jump rings. Okay, I want to learn words this year. I want to be articulate. Is that the word? I don't know how to say it and my vocabulary is so bad. Okay, so basically what happens is you have a piece of plywood. I believe this is basswood. It's into my machine and this one piece could make a good like 10 pairs of earrings. But one pair of the van earrings takes about 13 minutes. So 13 minutes per earring for just the vans. And then you have to account for assembling. Some of the wood gets glued to the wood, and then we have silver jump rings and the hooks that go into your actual ears. It looks good. No, that should clean off fine. All right, let's take these off. I'm gonna step away from the machine in case you can't hear me over it, but the really loud noise you're hearing actually isn't the machine. It's a tube I've attached to the machine that's blowing air. When you have air moving and it's going onto the wood while it's being engraved, it prevents staining and burning. Obviously you want your wood to burn, hence the engraving, but you don't want it to overburn and cause like a huge mess, so the air prevents that. So we're gonna put this piece of wood back into the machine and we're gonna make the rest of our van earrings. I think 2, 4, so this one was a fail, so that doesn't count. 1, 2, 3. I might be able to do 2 to 3 more pairs on it. Here is the live view from the machine. What happened here, see the mess up? It's all like burnt and like messed up. So these little magnets here, you can see them here and here. These keep the wood like down. When the wind's hitting it, it could blow around, it could get warped. So I didn't take into account this magnet would get in the way of my little laser. Like it literally ran into it and like freaked out. I could utilize the space up here. And then we can go and put this like here. Good, okay. What I'm gonna do first is the engraving. So we're gonna say output on engraving, and I have it at power 100% and speed 175 millimeters per second. She also ordered stickers. We're just gonna move. This is the giant pile of wood. This is about 24 pieces, I believe. I think it cost me like $30 or $24. I think it was close to 30 because I got more than usual. But this is my very organized sticker drawer. Don't worry, I'm gonna be organizing it soon, but it just hasn't happened. So she ordered these Stay Groovy stickers. Another sticker that we have to see if she reorders that she gets this one. And then here is Stay Groovy. Beautiful. There's her stickers all ready to go. So in the meantime, we're gonna check our hardware and make sure that we have enough jump rings and everything for the products. 24, 25, 26. Okay, the quality of this is terrible because this is the first one I ever made. You can see the glue, like I was still figuring out what to do, but I still use the same jump ring. So it looks like I do a medium. It looks like the same size actually. Yeah, okay, I do the same size. So I use this one apparently for those. While we're waiting, I figured we can go through the price of what I sell and how much I made on this order, and then how much it cost me to make each earring, because I feel like a lot of people like that kind of stuff. Now, let me tell you, wood earrings, after I paid off the machine, are just making me profit on profit because it's literally wood. Like, it's fun and it's cheap. Wholesale for earrings. Wholesale means what I charge another business to purchase my stuff. Not retail. Retail is what I would charge on my own website if you wanted to buy a pair of earrings. But if another business wants to sell my earrings, what I'm charging them is wholesale cost. Esper caught a freaking mouse. So my cat just brought me a dead animal. That was fun. Anyway, life on a farm. Life with a farm kitten. All right, my wholesale cost is gonna be $7 for majority of my wooden earrings, and then $8 for the van earrings because I do have to assemble them more so than the other ones. We break it down from there. The stack of plywood that I showed you is roughly $33 for 24 pieces. That brings us to only $1.30 for each piece of plywood, not for each earring, for each piece of plywood. Depending on the size of the earring, anywhere from 5 to 10 to 12 pieces of earrings, like earring pairs. Jumper rings, I just did a Google search. They're dirt cheap. Like, I'm talking maybe max, you're spending $8 for like 100 jumper rings. So again, another very, very small, like decimal amount of money. It's literally maybe $1 max, like for each pair of earrings. My cat's like running around if my phone's like vibrating. But yeah, so roughly, not including like the time that goes into it, $1 maybe. It brought her total to, she spent $111.50 in my shop for wholesale. And then after the commission of fair, which is 15%, plus a $10 fee because she's a new customer. Once she comes back, that fee will not happen anymore, but I do have to pay an extra $10 per new customer. That brings my commission to $80.58 for 9, 10, 11, for literally 13 pairs of earrings and 9 stickers that are already created. I'm going to show you what the earrings look like on my website at retail cost, which we talked about, means that is the price I'm charging just a customer buying them from my website, not a other business buying them. So I'm going to go to accessories, one of my faves, and then you guys saw the hippie ones. I charge $18 retail. Button when it turns blue. Good to go. This part is when I just start doing other things that I need to do around the office, because this takes a little bit of time. Of course, it's literally making this into a beautiful pair of earrings. I'm really excited because the sun just came out. It's so nice and bright in here. It just makes me feel alive. And like I told you, we're gonna get snowed in for sure on Monday. It's just getting worse. And I'm really excited. Actually, I'm really excited. But yeah, I just have to kind of enjoy today's sunshine while I can. It's so cute. Oh, I love her. So these are the stickers. Just gonna stick them in here. I've never heard that name before. That is a really cool name. Marnie. All of our engraving is done. I put it all in this bin. I'm obsessed with this material. I had to go with a different company due to getting the shipping quick enough to be aligned with the due date of this, because when you use Fair, it gives you like a time frame of getting your order out to your customer. So that worked out because I love this material. This material is so stunning. I love it. It came out so beautiful and high-end, and I love it. So classy. Another thing that happened is I accidentally made the smile earrings wrong. So it was supposed to engrave it and then not do anything else so that I could cut through it. But it ended up engraving it, then cutting it, and they came out like this without being cut through. Assuming it was an issue, I ended up reaching out to the boutique and I was like, hey, I just wanted to confirm, do you want your smile earrings like this? But I wanted to confirm before moving forward. And she was like, I actually like that a lot more. Thank you for confirming. And that worked out great for me because these took 30 minutes and I thought I was gonna have to just waste them. So everything worked out perfect.
Are you so cozy? Are you so cozy?
It's the next day. For a few minutes. She wants to go outside, but it's so cold outside, Esper. You'll freeze your little butt off. Lots done. Everything is done except for the Vans because, like I said, they have to cure overnight and they look freaking adorable. These smiley faces came out so cute. The smiley faces came out so cute. You can get all these on my website. Here's the butterfly, so cute. Also, I didn't feel like setting up my mic, so hopefully the audio is fine, but I left it upstairs and it's cold, so I don't really want to go set it up. Hopefully you guys don't mind. Esper is extra crazy today. Yeah, you can't go outside. It's 30 degrees, like, no. The last thing to do is just assemble the Vans and then they are ready to go. I am so excited. Hi friends, I'm actually testing the mics I've been using right now to do a voiceover, and I'm really excited to just up my content a little bit. So since this is like a long stream of clips of me just assembling these Van earrings, I figured I would do a voiceover. But these Van earrings are literally so cute. I purchased the like design through Etsy, I believe, and then it's a SVG file that goes to my Xtools program, and from there I'm able to cut these. So I just changed the sizing, doubled them, and made them into earrings, and I really like them. Also, do you see that amazing measuring tape ring? I got it for Christmas. It's my favorite thing ever. It's so freaking pretty. Anyway, I'm really hoping to grow my wholesale this year and allow it to kind of replace the income I usually would get from vendor shows, because I just genuinely, guys, vendor shows take a lot of work and they can be really, really defeating. So for 2025, I just don't think I want to do them anymore, or maybe only like a few. I got everything done. I'm so excited. All I have to do is put them each pair goes into like a little plastic mailer, but I do have to head out to my other job, so I'm not going to film that part. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Esper is ready for me to stop filming too. Yeah, she's mad because she wants to go outside. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!